The George Gordon Associates GPS line demonstrates excellent functional integration by producing clear pouches containing plastic cutlery, napkins, and condiments for meals on the move. The GPS line may have as many as 5 separate machines, or even more, to provide just the right kit for the food service requirement. All machines are certified for CE mark. With food service kits, fast food retail adds cleanliness and portion control. Hospitals gain control of dietary ensembles. School cafeterias find easy dispensing. And airlines speed in-flight service with handling convenience. First, the DLN 300 napkin machine forms napkins from a roll of tissue paper. The machine folds the napkins, cuts them to a specific length, and places them on the conveyor. The tissue paper travels from the roll down through the embosser to press a random pattern into the paper for softer feel as well as improved appearance. The paper web travels from the embosser through printing into the converting unit. This is an online make and place process, saving both labor and material cost. In this application, the PMPS 300 packet make and place system is making salt and pepper sachets. The machine forms and fills the pouch and at the same time cuts and dispenses it into the conveyor. The PPS 250 packet placing machine places sachets such as wrapped toothpicks and in this instance sugar. The registered eye mark on the sachet enables precise cut and place into the conveyor flight. The PPS 250 saves labor and cost with a low investment. Payback may be as short as 6 months. GGA Cross Conveyor allows cutlery placing at faster speeds. The speed of hand loading is 50% faster compared to loading directly into a horizontal conveyor. Traveling at 1/3 of a linear speed, the side-by-side tray is presented for a longer time for the loader to place the cutlery. Transfer accuracy from the cross conveyor into the GPS wrapper substantially increases efficiency and consistent quality with precision positioning. At the end of the line, pushers gently move the bag contents into position to be carried by the film as the package is geometrically formed. Geometric forming eliminates the need for a forming box for trouble-free product transition. There are 2 sets of fin wheels, one hot and one cold. The cold fin wheel serves to position and carry the film, while the hot fin wheel seals the top fin to form a tuber on the products. The fin is gently turned over for the cross seal. The cutting or crimper heads make the package cross-seal to produce a clean, neat, film-efficient bag. The consumer receives clean utensils with one-pick convenience, while the establishment saves cost and the environment by providing just the right food service items to their customers. GGA equipment may also be utilized in many other applications. For more information or to request an evaluation of your packaging requirements, please call today. George Gordon Associates, 603-424-5204, or check out our website, www.ggapac.com.